Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is your boy Kabir Khanna on Kabir's Stream. And today, yet again, I'm back with another video. I'm going to show you how I make money on casino with the app that I have made, with the AI that I have built over the past couple of years. And now we just get into playing and making some money. And also don't forget about my Telegram channel. And by the way, I forgot to tell you that I do live streams on Tuesday, Thursday, and also Friday. So, like I said, all the information is on my Telegram. Wait for it to come up. And it says a big number. Let's see if it goes till that. I'm gonna, a little bit bitch out and take out at the half point. But I would be glad if it goes till that. So 6,000, we have still made the profit. Let's see. God freaking damn it, I could have made a 8x. Oh my god, why didn't I listen? Oh my god. Okay. So the analysis is getting better and better every single time. You must have not been using my app. Because if you were, you wouldn't have lost anything. ये देखो, आपके सामने मैं भी पैसे बना रहा हूँ. यहाँ पे 1 min पे बैठा, एविएटर पे बैठा. 7,800 on a constant. And 4x our money right over there, 6,000. Okay, let's run the round analysis again. 7,800 on a constant right over there. Okay. And I take out my money, 5,000 right over there again. And as you can see, this is all just because I'm just following my AI. So 10,400 right over there, and on the side, using the AI, all we have to do is click on the button when it has said us to click. So 5,000 right over there. A hell lot of work. So 10,400 right over there, and then we take out the money. And actually on damn point, 1x even. Are you kidding me? Okay, let's try to make that back now. Game, I understand you, I respect you. Give me some good odds. The AI says this much, so let's try and take it out at the same time. And there you go. Nice. I want more of this game. Let's run the round analysis. 13,000 right over there. And we take out the money right over here, 3,820. That is actually not bad at all. Let's keep that pace, game. Don't lowball us again. Let's run the round analysis. 13,000 again. And 180. For some reason, the cashing out was really very slow. 13. How do you say this? So that it can make your process even faster. Takes a little bit of time to make your process even faster. So we take out the money, and as you can see, on point, correct analysis. Let's go in again. Place in the analysis that it was correct. Take 13,000. What the hell? And take out the money right over here, 4,000 yet again. Let's run the round analysis. 13,000. And I take out my money, 5,180 rupees. And as you can see, that it works pretty damn well. Let's try and go in again. And yeah, shit happens. Let's go in again. And good shit happens as well. And shit even gets better when you have the AI. 5640. And that's basically what all you have to do. Click on few buttons to make the easiest money that you can make in your life. So let's try to make the best of the situation and have some conversations, guys. The AI said me this, but I backed out halfway. But I could have made more money. Really, good time while playing. And also you have a structure and you can strategize out how you can make the most out of what you are thrown in at. Okay, so we are gonna take out the money right now. Just 5x my freaking money, if you can see. And the thing is actually damn on point. Why does it not give me the money that it actually should? It is kind of weird. So I'm gonna take out the money. Look at this! I clicked on the freaking button. Oh my god!